So this is an order from Playcode3. This is where I get all of my little sprinkles, little accessories for my mug toppers, and I'm going to start using them on cupcakes, cakes, all kinds of things. So the owners of Playcode3 is Chris, Lily, and Sunshine. Really fast, within 5 days I got my order. So Playcode3 is awesome, and let's see what items I got. Okay, here's an overview of the items I got, but let's take a closer look, see if I can get them on my little tray here. Because earlier it was not showing up very good. Okay, that's much better. So these are like a little Who house. They're so cute. I know that these are more of a Christmas thing, but I just thought they were super cute, and I can always use them next year. Okay, so now I've taken them out of the package, and so you can see how cute. Look at that. So cute. I love this one. And I believe there's 20, oh, I think there's 10, maybe 10 in a package. So, but they were really reasonable. And like I said, they're, you know, you could use them on a cupcake, but then you have this plain white on this on the back. So you would have to kind of put it up against, you know, the frosting so you don't see the back side. But it is so cute. I just love them. So that's 2 packages down. So let's see what number 4 package has. Alright, so package number 4, we have all these cute little Gumball Machines. And I took one out of the package so you can see. Get a little closer. Look at how cute, with all the different colored gumballs inside. So these are super cute. Again, all the bigger charms, I believe, comes in a quantity of 10. So, so I got these. So let's go to package number 5. Okay, now going with some spring, summer stuff. I've got some, what are these called? Ladybugs. And then I pulled some out so you can see. Look at how cute. And I believe they're on double-sided, so you can see them from both sides. You don't have to worry about being blank on the one side. So I have some summertime ideas that I can use these sprinkles on, or use these sprinkles for. And this again is a 20-gram pack. As you can see, there's quite a bit. So these will last me quite a while. So let's see what's the next bag have. All right, here's my next bag, and I got some lemons, lemon slices, and again, summertime. There's a lot of different things that you can do with this. Again, this is another 20-gram package, and here they are up close, super cute. And again, they have the design on both sides, so you can utilize them without having them to lay them flat. You can see the design from either side. So there's a lot of different things I can use these for, and it don't have to just be for summer. There's all kinds of different ideas that I have that I can use them. So let's see what the next bag has to offer. Okay, the next item is a 20-gram package of mini flags. So we've got Memorial Day coming up, we've got 4th of July, so we need some flags. And these are super tiny, but they're so cute. Well, that one's backwards. Let's see if I can, oh geez. Here. Anyways, my fingers, they keep getting stuck. But here's the little flags. I don't think you can, yeah, you can barely see the, let's see if we can get a little closer. Just doesn't want to, well, you can kind of see the stars. I can see them, but I don't know, like every time I try to get a little closer, it doesn't want to focus in on it. So you'll just have to take my word that there's some little stars in there, but it's super cute. So I got a bag of the little ones, and then I got a bag of, oops, where is it? A bag of the bigger ones. And on these ones, you can see the stars on these ones. Wow, that is so weird why it doesn't want to focus. But maybe if I get the actual ones, let's see if you can, I'll show what it looks like when I compare it, the big ones to the small ones. So there's a big difference. Sorry, there's like a big glare from my light above. So it really sucks. So there you go, you got the stars now, you can see it. So there's different ways you can use this, these little flags. So we'll figure out some little items to do. This glare is driving me crazy. I'm going to take it off this tray and just put it on the bed, I guess. So let's see what's in the next bag. All right, so my next item is little candy corns, and I believe there's 10 in a package. And I took one out so you can kind of see it. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty realistic. And this is what it looks like in my hand. So I got 10 of those. Halloween will be here soon. I know Christmas just passed, but I need to get prepared and have all of my supplies ready, so when these holidays come up, I'm not scrambling trying to buy things. So I have bought some other Halloween stuff in the past. I think I shared it. I don't know. I'm starting to get a lot more sprinkles, so I'm starting to get confused where things are and where they came from. So hopefully I'm going to try and keep them all in order. So then the last bag is the freebie stuff that I got with my order. And again, this is Playcode3. And so every time you make an order, they always throw in all kinds of little goodies. So I want to share with you what goodies I got on this order. So here is my bag of goodies. Look at it. It's nice and full of stuff. And here they have a little sticker and it says, "Your gift. Thank you. We appreciate your support. Playcode3.com." So let's take all this stuff out and see what's in here. Get it all out. Well, let's start with the package stuff first. I'm not sure what this is. It's probably some kind of character that I'm not up to speed with. This might be something for the younger generation. I have no idea what that is. So I'll have to ask. The next thing, these are super cute. It's a little Valentine's Day sprinkles, and it looks like little lips and some pink just sprinkles in there. So that's perfect for Valentine's. I have some of these. I already had some, but getting more free is great. And so it's got little hearts on a little disc. So I've got some bigger ones and then some smaller ones. So this is perfect. And the next item, it looks to be a Christmas item. Let me get my fingers out of here. And it looks like a gingerbread man and some snowflakes and some little red dots. So I can use that next year, that's for sure. Next thing is a big peppermint. And I do have some of these. I don't have them this big, so this will be good. I can use them with my smaller ones. Next item, oh, another bag of lips. So that'll be great. Next bag, this is a Valentine's mix. Let me get my hand here. And I think I actually already have this mix, but again, it's free. I'll take free gifts, so I love it. I actually just made, oh, these are super cute. Oh, these will be nice for spring. They're look like little daisies, pink daisies. Let's see if I can, they look like little swirls. I don't know if you can see them. Jeez. Oh, you could see them now. Isn't that cute? Oh, I like those. I don't remember seeing those on the list, but. And then I got a little Starbucks cup. How cute. Isn't that cute? And then I got a candy cane stick. That's always nice to have. I think I have another one of these. So, and I made some, but not as nice as this. And then what's this other package? I can't even tell what it is. Maybe it's another one of those things of kids know and I don't know. I'm too old. It kind of looks like a bear. I don't know. It's some kind of character. But as soon as I figure out what it is and how I can use it, I will be using it. And then I got a sucker. Very cute. It looks like it's a little lopsided, but that's okay. I'll just put it in the whatever it is I'm making to make up for that discrepancy. No problem. And then the last thing is a little ice cube. So that'll be cute. I've got some ideas for that. I actually had bought some ice cubes. I don't remember if they were, I think they were a little bit bigger than this. I have no clue what I did with them, so I'd have to go and find them. But once I find them, this will go good with it. So this is all my little freebie stuff. So again, if you guys are looking for sprinkles, charms for your fake bakes, you can go to, oops, let me find it. Oh, this is pretty small, but it's Playcode3, or actually on here you can see it better. This is Playcode3.com. So go check them out. They have lots of different items to choose from, and sometimes they have percentages off depending on how much money you spend. So check them out. They're a great independent maker, and they have a lot of variety and fast shipping. I mean, I purchased these, like I said earlier, and I got them, I think, within 5 days. So that's great. All right, thanks for stopping by and seeing the little shopping haul I got from Playcode3, and hope to see you back soon so you can see how I use these items. Bye-bye.